मैं इस चीज़ के बारे में काफ़ी वक्त से सोच रहा हूँ. Like, why does it feel like people are stuck? Not in a dramatic sense, but same routine, same thoughts and same loop. And people might say कि ये laziness की वजह से हो सकता है. But I don't think that's it. क्योंकि the real problem might be more uncomfortable than that. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि most people, including me at times, don't know what they want. मतलब properly इस चीज़ के बारे में सोचो. If I ask you right now, what do you want? Maybe you'll say something like success, money, peace या freedom. But that's not real. वो सिर्फ words हैं. क्योंकि अगर तुम बोलोगे success, तो किस चीज़ में? अगर तुम बोलोगे money, तो कैसे? And if you say freedom, तो वो किस चीज़ से? And maybe what this tells us is that we don't even know what we want. तो obviously हम switch करते रहेंगे हमारे goals को, क्योंकि we might start something and drop it. And we will start something again and drop it too. क्योंकि बाहर से ऐसे लग सकता है कि we don't have consistency or discipline. But inside, it's more like nothing is sticking with us. और मैंने ये चीज़ खुद में भी नोटिस की है that I'll start something thinking कि यही वो चीज़ है जो मुझे करनी है. But later on, I'm like, what am I even doing? And if you think about it, it's not even about effort. Maybe मसला ये है कि जिस गोल को मैंने अपना मिशन बना लिया है वो मेरा ही नहीं है. And you know what this reminds me of? There's this idea from Friedrich Nietzsche. He basically said that most people don't create their own values. They just inherit them. और जब तुम इसके बारे में सोचो, it says a lot. क्योंकि maybe वो गोल जो तुम और मैं अचीव करना चाह रहे हैं, वो हमारे पास से नहीं आया. Maybe it came from our friends or from our families. या सिर्फ इसलिए कि वो impressive लगता है. And we didn't sit down and build it from scratch. हमने सिर्फ वो आइडिया उठाया है. And then we start chasing something that doesn't even connect with us. Let's take an example for it. Imagine trying to run full speed in a direction that you don't even care about. फिर क्या होगा? Obviously you'll slow down and you might even quit. अब क्या उस quit करने को तुम lack of discipline बोलोगे? नहीं, right? क्योंकि उस consistency को तुम force नहीं कर सकते जो तुम्हारे लिए real ही नहीं है. Like you don't even know why you will run in that direction. And you know the crazy part? यही चीज़ सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल है. Like it's easy to call yourself lazy, but it's hard to admit कि तुम्हें नहीं पता कि तुम क्या चाहते हो. क्योंकि once you admit it, फिर तुम्हें उस ख्याल के साथ बैठना पड़ेगा. And that is uncomfortable as hell. And maybe that is the actual starting point. ज़्यादा grind या ज़्यादा hard work नहीं, but actually sitting with yourself and being honest to you. So you need to figure out कि तुम क्या चीज़ enjoy करते हो. What do you keep coming back to? And what feels like yours and not borrowed from anyone else. And the question that you should ask to yourself isn't how do I work harder, but it is that what am I working towards and did I actually choose it?